This is just how I'm gonna start the video. Wow. You're claiming it.
I know you're not a fan.
No, no. I mean, I had a street. I had a street for those like 5 months. I liked them a lot. It was definitely a car that
with no.
But the slick top is sick. Yeah.
Yeah, no paint fade.
Oh, no paint fade either.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Reach some of it though.
All right. So coming to you live from Toshi Imports. I've been trying to see the Suzuki Alto Works for the longest. You guys know that Will Lindsay took the black one from 844. He took the $5 giveaway car. But this guy, this is the dual overhead cam all-wheel drive version. This thing is calling my name. It's like almost triple the amount of the Minica, but it's triple the car, to be honest. Got the cool Suzuki seat here, Recaro on that side. Nardy wheel. Let me give it a little rev so you can hear how loud that blow-off valve is. But love the spoiler. I think it's in really good condition. He doesn't really import the kind of cars that I like to buy. I like to buy little crappy cars. We already established a bunch of times. But like, look at the street, for example. Find me an imperfection. You know what I mean? Like, this is more for the normal people, honestly. The people who want to buy a car that's turnkey. Listen to this. Listen to this sound right here. As much as I say I love the beat. How much is this one? 75 last time you posted it, right?
Yeah, I do 7 though.
7? Okay, cool.
I'm super firm. I've already bought a bunch of stuff that I want to keep for
you. Yeah, no, for the video, just because this thing is sick, man. It's really nice. I think 7 is an amazing price. Like, I'm not even.
Yeah, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's original miles. When you drive it, you'll feel how tight the car is.
Original miles in a good way?
Original miles, like it's not flipped. I know it's a 550 odometer, but
I didn't even realize that.
Yeah, I did the car VX and everything's good. So
nah, it's clean. Like I know it's not perfect, but I mean, what year is it? 91? 90.
You see the door handles are.
Oh wow, I didn't even realize that.
They changed them
to the normal way, but this pops open too, which is cool.
Yep.
I saw you post this on Instagram a while ago.
Yeah, I just want to keep it. I you know, like of course a dummy price tag, but this is like a 180. This thing is
180 what?
A 180cc.
Oh, 180cc. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so whoever had this in Japan, like.
So what is this? This is called the Honda Charlie?
Yeah, so it's like a 1970s
Oh,
Honda
it's that
Charlie
old?
Frame.
Okay.
And then they redid the whole engine, exhaust, lowered it.
Yeah, because this is obviously something newer. Like the spring,
Yeah, yep. And I got so many rims.
Who are you telling, man? Who are you telling?
Some
those
custom
are cool.
Mugens. Some
I feel like I've seen those online for like $2,000 or something. These are really nice. I love these. These are $750, something like that?
Yeah, $750.
Yeah, these are cool.
I have these. I love chrome, man. I love these. Gonna have these for the Pajero that'll be in next week. It's white.
Ooh.
So we're gonna do the blue.
Yeah, the blue lip.
Moto Compos have already went up. So
really?
You have a chance to get yours back.
Oh wow, no.
I
think they're gonna go down.
They've skyrocketed.
Really?
At auction, yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I was trying to get one for 300K yen.
Yeah.
And it went for like 345, and it was.
Wow.
It was kind of busted.
I feel like the exact opposite. I think that the Moto Campo, like the new one that's out, I think it's cool, whatever. I think everyone's gonna buy it for $1,000. And I think that the old ones, no one's gonna see the value anymore.
Yeah.
That's how I feel about it.
I'm trying to get my hands on one so I can raffle one off for double the amount. It's a guarantee to sell a ticket.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna be hard to find. It's Christmas.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll leave this right here since they're closed, and we can go for a little ride.
Yeah. It's got the clock, tack, fog lights, AC, all the buttons, 2 cup holders, 5-speed. I believe it's rear-wheel drive too, just like mine. Got the Honda mat. I know that's pretty sought after. Honda floor mat.
So this is for like I say the ultimate. So a guy that wants one that has all the OEM parts.
Yeah.
OEM chrome exhaust tip, mud flat with this retrofitted.
I wanted that on mine.
Basket.
Yeah, this alone is like $500.
Yeah, I think I lowered the price today.
Yeah, I think you put it 11.5. Yeah, I think it's worth. Like.
No, I'll just keep it. Like I've made money on other cars to where it's not dire. This actually, a lot of guys don't know. They made a front bumper that's not like the regular ones. You know, the regular one that swooped down.
Yeah.
This kind of matches the rear, and it's a special one that was made for the ones in the 90s.
Yeah.
So, which we don't have to drive this one. They all drive and ride.
Yeah. No, but I just want to show it off some more. Sure. This thing is sick. Glove box, Bluetooth speaker. You already know. Roller coaster bar.
No rust is.
Yeah, I know those
mega
old.
Rare.
Yeah. Those look like he almost like got them out of the box. I love the curtains too. The color.
Yeah. So this did not come from auction. It came from Macari.
Okay.
This is a Honda collector in northern.
Macari's a brand?
No, Macari, like it's like a Facebook Marketplace here.
Oh, okay.
It's only Japanese. There's no American translation in English.
Oh, okay.
So I found this on Macari, and he lived in like northern Japan, and so I was like, I have to have it. He kept it inside all summer.
Yeah, it looks like it's been garage kept.
I should say, yeah.
It doesn't come this color though, no?
No, this is a factory color, but like this stuff, this like.
I've never seen one this color.
Yes. Well, it does say color. Oh, that's interior. You should have the factory color somewhere.
If it was painted, they did a really good job.
No, I know this is factory. Don't you?
Yeah. No, I don't know.
Yeah, right here. B for blue, 57P. This is the only touch-up spot.
What is that, like a drag? Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
But even this, I don't really see a lot of them with this.
Yeah, I mean, finding factory decals.
Yeah.
Even here. But let's just leave this here and we'll go for a ride.
About to drive this bad boy. You know what happens when I drive cars, guys? I can't afford it though, honestly. I can't afford it. As much as I want to play the game, like, oh my god, I'm gonna get this Alto, I just can't. For me to get this, I can't. There's too many things happening behind the scenes that I can't tell you guys, but I'm getting a car that, like I said, slightly, I talked about a little bit, I'll talk about a little more. I'm getting a car that's even cooler than this, trust me. It's just gonna be here in like 4 to 6 weeks, so, you know, we just gotta wait and see for that one, but this is cool, man. This is really nice. I think by far one of my favorite things are the door handles being on the side though. That is just sick. Interior's clean. $7,000.
It's fast for a K car.
Yeah, I know. Trust me. You don't gotta tell me.
And you can definitely feel the difference in 2 grown men in here too.
Yeah. I know it's not gonna be like real car fast.
To me, I think it's real car fast. I just want a little fart can on it too.
Yeah, if it had a little more growl.
My problem is then I start spending money.
Yeah.
It's something I'm supposed to sell. But I love that it has torque turn, or torque steer, I should say. You can feel a little bit of it.
About to be my first time driving the dual overhead cam all-wheel drive Suzuki Alto. I've heard so much about this car, the RSR. This is one of the fastest Ks. I love the door handle. Let's see what this is about. Oh my god. Third gear, 100 kilometers an hour. And only like 6,000 RPM. And then I get the speed. The speed is great, you know, but let's do a 360 right now. We gotta do a 360. Here's the interior. Got the Nardi. Door cards in good condition. This Recaro is very comfortable. This OEM Suzuki seat is cool too. Back seat's in good condition. Like you said, I'm not really crazy about the rims. I would definitely change those out ASAP. They go with the scheme though, I do have to say that. And then this looks like it's a carbon fiber wrap. Yeah, it's a carbon fiber wrap. So I would probably get that taken off. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look terrible, I'm not gonna lie. But the real bread and butter, the real star of the show, the F6A, the same motor that's in the Cappuccino. Gotta love that K&N filter. I don't see any rust. I don't really see any crazy imperfections. fog lights are on. This is hell of a K. This is gonna be hard to do with one hand, but I gotta show you guys how quick this car really is. So we're currently in first. Let me let the cars drive by a little bit. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. This is third gear. Fourth gear. Wow. Sadly, I can't buy this right now financially, but hopefully someone watching this video, if you're interested, hit up Toshi, tell him Wait for the Fame sent you.
See it up.
Well, that was fun. Wish it didn't get dark. I'm gonna end this video here. On our way to Tennessee.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.